Hello, my name is Dr. Rob Yeung. I'm a business psychologist and a coach at a consultancy called Talent Space. And I'd like to talk to you about how you can use gratitude not only in the workplace, but in your life more generally. So the emotion of gratitude is usually defined as a felt sense of wonder, thankfulness, and appreciation. It can come about as a result of, for example, the kind words or actions of another person. But to some degree, we can also summon up this feeling within ourselves when we choose to. Several studies show that the experience of gratitude has multiple benefits. So people who experience more gratitude in their lives tend to be happier and to report less stress. People who have more gratitude in their lives also tend to have fewer physical aches and may even sleep better. And they also tend to report having stronger relationships with friends and family. So what I'd like to do is to introduce you to two techniques that you can use to boost your levels of gratitude, and therefore you too can get these psychological, physical and social benefits. So the first technique is simply to write down between 3 to 5 things for which you feel grateful. You can do this towards the end of the day, and you can do this perhaps once a week, several times a week, or even every day if you wish. Now, the phrase "things for which you feel grateful" may sound a little bit ambiguous and open to interpretation because it's deliberate, because what one person may find meaningful and they feel grateful for may be meaningless to someone else. However, most people talk about things such as other people in their lives that they feel grateful for, perhaps friends or family. Or they feel grateful for personal characteristics that they possess. So for example, I might talk about my characteristics, my skills or particular traits. And people sometimes say that they feel grateful for things that happen in their daily lives as well. So these could be small instances that happen every day, or larger things that happen more rarely. It really is up to you. An alternative, or perhaps an additional exercise to boost your levels of gratitude, is to express your gratitude to another person. So you can do this either by writing them a letter or by expressing your gratitude in person to them. So all you need to do, again, is to find someone that you genuinely feel grateful towards. This could be a family member who has looked after you and cared for you. It could be a friend. Perhaps you're simply grateful for their companionship and their listening skills. Or it could be a colleague or a mentor, a teacher who has helped you in your career or life more broadly. Again, it's up to you who you express your gratitude to and also how you express your gratitude towards them. Now, both of these exercises may seem somewhat simplistic when I'm describing them to you, but there is compelling research to show that gratitude really does make a difference. For example, a recent study was conducted by the University of Indiana where they asked people to do a one-off gratitude exercise. Then the researchers scanned the people's brains using fMRI, so functional magnetic resonance imaging equipment, to see what was going on within their brains. And the researchers discovered that even 3 months after people had done this one-off exercise, they could still detect a neural sensitivity to gratitude. So on a neurological level, they could still find changes in the brain, which is still, to me, fairly amazing. So we've covered 2 exercises. You could do one or both. Try writing down between 3 to 5 things for which you feel grateful, or think about expressing your gratitude either in writing or in person to someone.